Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We start with the global markets. Overnight, US markets closed mixed, supported by strong earnings, lower oil prices, and a rotation from semiconductor stocks into other sectors. The Dow Jones gained 1.03%, the S&P 500 rose 0.21%, while the Nasdaq slipped 0.22%. Asian markets traded mixed this morning. South Korea's Kospi led the gains, surging 1.95%. Japan's Nikkei 225 advanced 0.52%, while the broader Topix index added 0.37%. Australia's ASX 200 also traded higher, gaining 0.83% in early trade. In India, the Index of Industrial Production grew by 7.3% year-on-year in June 2026, reaching a 23-month high. Nifty closed at 23,985 in the previous session, marking a loss of 11 points. The index spent most of the previous session oscillating around the 24,000 mark. The index formed a small bullish candle with an upper shadow, indicating selling pressure near 24,000. GIFT Nifty is indicating positive opening on the back of positive global cues. If the Nifty sustains above its 20-day SMA at 24,106, it could witness an upside toward the 24,300 level, followed by the 200-day EMA, which is placed near 24,400. On the downside, the 20-day SMA is likely to act as the first support, followed by the 24,000 mark. Traders will closely watch the outcome of the US Fed policy for the next directional trigger. Tuesday's monthly expiry delivered a classic premium crush session as a sharp rise in open interest in both Nifty, up 31.3%, and Bank Nifty, up 27.9%, reflected active August series rollovers rather than fresh short positions. Nifty rollover stood at 71.8%, down from 80.3%, while Bank Nifty rollover eased to 76.3% from 77.2%. The rupee strengthened by 11 paise to 95.88 on lower crude prices and RBI intervention, while FIIs bought 755 crores rupees, taking the monthly net inflow to 12,713 crores rupees. Nifty futures premiums expanded to 113 points, while India VIX remained subdued at 12.56. Options activity stayed balanced, with an equal call-to-put exchange driven by call writing and put hedging. Fresh calls and puts were added at 24,000, while calls at 23,700 and puts at 24,550 were unwound. Nifty PCR rose from 0.89 to 1.11, while Bank Nifty PCR declined from 0.83 to 0.79. The FII long-short ratio remained unchanged at 0.10. FIIs added index futures while reducing calls, adding protective puts, and cutting stock futures. Proprietary traders wrote both calls and puts while adding stock futures, leaving bullish retail participants trapped as they aggressively added calls while reducing futures. For today, watch 23,700 as strong support and 24,300 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.